Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today in this video I'm just going to show how to use the increase and decrease indent on your Google Slide mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the increase or decrease indent in Google Slide mobile. So we considered some of the example like this, and we just can edit it like this. So here I just going to show, just select this and just going to select this recent progress and just going to apply the increase indent and also decrease indent in this, so you can easily understand how it's work. Click on this A symbol, which is actually a text formatting option. Tools will be applied up appeal here. Click on this paragraph option. Here you will see this option. This particular option is called indent. This will make a decrease indent, which actually moves the topic directly to, instead of typing spacing, you can just select it and you can just move this like this, and click on this A symbol to make this. Here click on this paragraph, make a decrease indent, which brings back it. So I just going to show another example here. In the progress topic area 1, I just going to, you can see this progress area 1 is now on the here. So just instead of clicking the spacing, just select the entire thing and click on this A symbol, go to the paragraph, make a increase indent and also decrease indent, and you can just move the topic or word on the sidewise and also to the fin side. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.